6 Ilocos Norte officials detained at the House of Representatives for 28 days want the Court of Appeals to declare their detention illegal and a form of torture. Their lawyer Estelito Mendoza on Friday made the motion before the CA Special 4th Division. He also asked the court to rule on the pending habeas corpus case. Mendoza says, quote, "The detainees are undergoing torture, which is barred by international conventions and barred explicitly under our laws as well." The Ilocos 6 were cited in contempt and detained on May 29 by the House Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability, which is probing the alleged misuse of 66.45 million pesos worth of provincial tobacco funds to purchase motor vehicles. They earlier secured a ruling from the CA Special 4th Division ordering their provisional release. But the House refused to grant this, with Speaker Pantaleon Alvarez calling the 3 justices who granted the petition idiots. In support of National Disaster Consciousness Month, Rappler will hold the first ever AGOS Summit on Disaster Preparedness from July 7 to 8 at the Samsung Hall, SM Aura, Taguig. The summit will gather disaster management experts, stakeholders, and volunteers to talk about how we can all be better prepared for climate change and disasters. Tickets are limited, so register today.